I can't deny, as hard as I try, that you give me life, you give me life. I can't deny, as hard as I try, that you give me life. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent, back here with you with guitar interpretations, and today we're doing 3-Hour Drive by Alicia Keys featuring, I don't know if that's Sampha or Sampha, but I think it's Sampha, whatever. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 3, and we're playing F to D minor, right? And then we play, hold on, let me just confirm. F, D minor, A minor, G or E minor, whichever you want to play, they both sound alright. If you're not familiar with these chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration on the chords. You can learn them there. Come back to this video for the progressions. But anyways, let's get on with the song. Okay, so that na 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 part is the same chorus. Na 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 na. But I'm pretty sure the chords on the verse are different, like the progression, because they sounded different. Okay, let's. Okay, so for the verse we're playing F, A minor to G. Okay, so we're playing F, D minor, A minor, G. So it's pretty much the same as the chorus. I don't know why it sounds different. You know, there's other notes that I can't really get on the guitar that are on the piano. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the guitar interpretation, guys. Let me know if there's any other songs that you need me to check out on this channel. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.